Hey y'all, today I'm going to be sharing 6 clothing brands that I have a 100% sell-through rate with, which means every single time I've listed these clothing brands for sale online, they have sold each and every time. This is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, I will link it above and down below in the description box. But without further ado, I want to go ahead and get into this list. I only pulled brands, y'all, that I've sold at least like 5, 6 plus items. I don't think it would be fair for me to share brands that I have a 100% sell-through rate with, but I've only sold like 2 or 3, you know? So just want to put that disclaimer out there. Let's go ahead and get started in my list. All right, first brand that made the list was Vionic. Vionic is a comfort shoe brand. I wrote down that my average sale price is $29 for Vionic. Vionics are always really quick sales for me. I don't find it very often, but pretty much every single time I've ever seen it out thrifting, I grab it. I will pay up for this brand. Like I said, average sale price is $29 and it usually sells within 30 days. Next up is Citizens of Humanity, and the majority of Citizens of Humanity that I have picked up has been pants. I wrote down that my average sale price is $23 for Citizens of Humanity. I'm really glad that I go into like my analytics and I look at this stuff, because honestly, I skip it a lot when I see it at the thrift stores. But whenever I went in to do this video and was looking at different brands that I've sold, I realized that I've sold every single pair of Citizens of Humanity pants, and none of them have really sat for that long. So I think that's going to be a brand you're going to start seeing me pick up more in my thrift hauls. All right, next we have Coach. So Coach, my average sale price is $27. There's a mix of everything. I wrote down that it's mostly shoes and handbags that I've been reselling from the brand. I did actually just list a pair of Coach sandals that I received from my recent America's Thrift Supply unboxing. If you haven't seen that unboxing, I'll pop it up. Possibly the best mystery box I've ever purchased before. But yeah, Coach sells every time. I just listed those Coach shoes, I think, 2-3 days ago. I have several watchers, both on MERCARI, Poshmark, eBay. Definitely a brand you're going to want to look out for. Like I said, average sale price is $27. Definitely a brand I'm going to be picking up in the future. Next on my list is Ed Hardy, and I did write down it's both shoes and clothing. I've sold quite a bit of Ed Hardy shoes and sneakers. They sell very quickly. My average sale price is $38 for Ed Hardy. So if you're not picking up Ed Hardy, highly recommend it. I don't find it that often at thrift stores, but each time I have found it, it has sold. I just want to take a quick moment to say, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. I do try to put out daily videos just like this, and I would love to have you here on my channel. Okay, we have 2 more brands to go through. Both of these do have lower ASPs, average sale prices. However, I thought I should still add them to the list, because I know a lot of y'all out there are like me and you were able to get clothes very cheap. My average cost of goods is usually $1, so I wanted to include these. So first up is Guy Harvey, and specifically t-shirts, just the t-shirts of the Guy Harvey with like the fish on the back. Average sale price is $13. These do not, when I'm telling you my average sale price, it does not include shipping. This is just the cost of the item. Probably should put that out there. So yeah, if you see Guy Harvey for like $1.50, wherever you are getting your inventory really cheap, maybe pick it up. I think I'm gonna start picking it up more because I can get it cheap where I live. And there is definitely like a plethora of Guy Harvey here on the Gulf Coast. And my last one I want to mention, sorry I keep looking down, I'm looking at my notes, is Nautica. And in parentheses, I wrote a little bit of everything. I think I've sold like Nautica, men's, women's, maybe shoes, maybe handbags. Let me go check. Yeah, we got some men's button downs, some men's pants, some women's cargo shorts, skirts, boots. So I've sold quite a bit from Nautica. Average sale price is $13. Nautica is a brand I feel like I pass by a lot at the thrift store, but after looking at what is actually selling for me 100% of the time, maybe I should give Nautica a second shot. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you have some brands that sell 100% of the time for you, please leave a comment down below. That way we can share all this information with each other. I know a lot of us learn a lot of reselling information from YouTube, me as well. So I would love to know what brands you also have a 100% sell-through rate with. I will see y'all very soon for some unboxings, some try-on videos. I have a lot of fun videos coming out in the next few days. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're already not, and I will see you for a new video tomorrow. Bye y'all!